Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix keyboard typing wrong letters in Windows 11. Let's get started. First, click the Start button and open Settings. Then go to Time and Language, then click on Language and Region. And here make sure you have the correct language and region selected. Next is click the three dots beside your language and select language option. Scroll down to keyboard and check if the correct keyboard layout is installed. If it's wrong, click add a keyboard and choose the correct layout, then remove the incorrect one. Now, test your keyboard to see if the issue is fixed. If your keyboard is still typing numbers instead of letters, you might have numlock enabled. Simply press the numlock key on your keyboard to turn it off. If you don't have the key, go to Settings, then go to Accessibility, then go to Keyboards, and turn on the on-screen keyboard and click numlock from there. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.